What is up? Okay, we're back. But today, we're gonna be doing a few modifications to the truck. For one, I don't even know if these lights work. I'm gonna have to follow the wires, find out where they're hooked up to. Because I don't know where they're hooked up to, but we're gonna see if those even work. If they work, maybe we'll keep them on. But these are coming off. Yeah, the steps are coming off, both sides. And then I don't like how many lights there are on the back of this. So I think they're all wired up somehow into there. I'm pretty sure they were like factory. Maybe not. There's all the wires. So we're gonna cut all those wires. Probably look underneath the bumper. We're gonna cut those. We're gonna take off these. We're just gonna pull all the wires out. But I don't like those. We're gonna take those off. Yeah. And then we may paint this side of the bed tonight. I gotta wipe it down. But maybe we'll paint this side of the bed tonight. I got some rust stuff. I know that's not the best, but we're gonna spray some rust stuff on there. Also, take that one off for now. So, that's the plan tonight, because we gotta paint this thing. Also, I'm gonna take this off. I like this, but we gotta paint the hood. So we may put it on afterwards. It's gonna look funny because it's red. We're gonna paint the truck white, but let's get after it. Man, oh man, it's hot out here. But we got those off. I think it really improves the look of the truck. I know. Look at that last one. Anyway, so I pulled these out. All right. Well, I don't know how they're wired in there, but oh boy, I cut all the wiring. I think I'm gonna have to cut all those. They're just gonna be all freaking. They're just gonna be all up here. I was gonna try to pull. Oh, careful there. Easy there. I was gonna try to pull all that out, but I don't know how I'm gonna get to that. It's all like, it's like factory stuff right there, dude. Pretty sure these are like factory lights here. Oh man. Well, looks like all these are just getting. Looks like these are all just getting cut. We're just gonna cut them all, stick them all in the tailgate there. Maybe I can pull the wires out the bottom. Ooh, look, it's like a little plug. You can plug the holes with it. Oh well. What do you do? It's not gonna be a show truck. So we've got those all taken care of. Go into your ride. Alright. So now we got these lights off. And now I think we're gonna paint. Ooh, I think I'm gonna paint that. And then I'm gonna get a paintbrush and paint that Chevrolet black so it pops, stands out. So tonight, I think I'm gonna spray paint this tailgate here. So I'm gonna go get the sander. I'm gonna start sanding it a little bit. We're gonna paint the tailgate and this fender tonight. Try to, anyways. I already sanded this a little bit. I just need to wipe it clean. So I'm not like Robby Layton, where they static and bag it and crap it and wipe it and pour liquid on it and stuff. We're old school. Spray paint. We're gonna spray paint this truck. I want you to follow along. I want you to see how well I do spray painting this truck. And then we're gonna go to, hold on, got some stuff on here. And then we're gonna go, after I spray paint this truck, we're gonna go apply, we're gonna go get a job application and apply for Layton Auto Body.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Alright, we'll get you a little before picture. What's up, Tut? Alright, so as you can see, like I said, I took the boards off the bottom. Looks a lot better. But anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna finish getting this painted up hopefully this week. I think I can do it if I just spend a little bit of time paint. Look at that rear tailgate though. Looks good. Anyways, smile every single morning. One thing I've been doing to try to create a habit is I've been trying to do some push-ups every night. Start off small amount, just work your way up. But the thing is I'm gonna start doing it every single night. But anyways, smile, because I don't do them in front of you. Anyways, smile every morning, be grateful for what you have, and I'm gonna leave you with that. Adios. My battery's gonna die.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.